Welcome, dear audience, to another episode of Techcanvass interview series, where we bring to you successful business analysts to share their success story with you and thus inspire the aspirants. Hi, this is Sudit from Techcanvass, and I would be your host for today's session. Today, we have Ankita Garg, all the way from Pune, India, who has recently cleared the CCBA, which is Certification of Capability in Business Analysis from IIBA. Welcome, Ankita.
Thank you.
So the CCBA certification is considered to be pretty challenging certification to clear. But since Ankita has already cleared it, I'm sure we can deep dive with her and get to know some of her insights about the certification. So let's get rolling. Ankita, to start with and to help our audience to know you a little better, can you please tell us about yourself and your background prior to becoming a business analyst?
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Ankita Garg. Currently, I'm working with ITC Infotech as a SAP functional consultant. I hold total of 6 years of experience, and prior to ITC Infotech, I have worked with several companies like Capgemini, Citius Tech, Pragiti Internet Technologies, etc. And apart from my work life, I'm a very easygoing person, and I believe in spirituality, and I like playing badminton. That's pretty much about me.
That's an impressive resume, I must say. So, Ankita, when did you, decide to go for CCBA certification?
So I had given my CCBA certification in last October 2021.
Okay, all right. And if I may ask, why did you decide to go for CCBA?
Okay, so as we know that in IT, apart from the knowledge, the certifications are really a cherry on the cake.
Right.
So considering my years of experience, I opted for CCBA because I have around 6 years of experience, and that is the right option to opt for.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, now that I'm hearing your reasoning, I can completely understand why you chose to become a BA. So, how did you plan your preparation, given that you were working as well?
Right. So it was quite challenging for me. I had completed my training from Techcanvass in the month of February last year. But then, because of the work life and my personal commitments, I couldn't continue with the preparation that time. So I started my preparation in August last year, and then around 2.5 to 3 months I took, and then finally decided to give the certification in October.
Okay, all right. But after you made the decision, anytime you felt you were not feeling confident about your preparation?
Yeah, it happened a couple of times with me. Like one was when we were solving the mock questions with my training instructor, Mr. Satish. So the score used to be very low. And not only me, but everyone in the batch used to feel like, okay, this is very difficult exam and how are we going to crack it? So everyone used to feel demotivated. And the second time was when I was actually giving the mock sessions, which were given by Techcanvass when I was solving the questions. So that time also I used to score not more than 50 or 55%. So that was again, demotivating me and then reducing my confidence. But then I used to talk to my instructor and he used to suggest me that keep giving the mock sessions and gradually your score will improve. And it happened the same way. So just a week before the exam, I used to get like 70, 75% in the mocks. And that is how, it boosted up my confidence again.
Right, right. That's true. It happens with, I guess, nearly everybody.
Yeah.
So, how much time did you take for the preparation?
Around 2.5 to 3 months. Like I started somewhere in August and then in mid of October, I gave my exam.
Okay. Yeah, sounds reasonable. So, can you share with us what was your mental status like on the examination day?
Well, to be very frank, I was nervous on that day. A lot of thoughts were lingering in my mind as to what will happen, what will be the level of difficulty of questions, and so on. But then I kept my calm and composed nature on, and then I thought that by hook or by crook, I'll have to clear the exam. So then I just focused on the questions and then I did it.
That's quite understandable, I must say. And, I'm sure you would have had, but let me still ask you this. How is the life after CCBA certification? Any changes you see in your career and your perspective?
Getting the certification has definitely boosted up my confidence. Plus, I have a certification to add on in my resume. And I'm sure that this will definitely help me when I'm going to switch my job.
Right, right. That's true. And thanks, Ankita, for all that insight. Let me ask you, now that you have achieved your goal, any specific tips and tricks you can share with our aspirants here?
Sure. So first of all, I would like to tell everyone that the why question should be clear in your mind as to why you are trying to give this exam. What is your main motive behind this? If you are clear with this, then you should go ahead and give the exam. Focus, hard work, and the right mentorship is required, which was provided to me by Techcanvass team. Not only the training team, the training instructor, Mr. Satish, but also the admin team. I would specially mention Nazni and Brajesh, who were always there to help me out. The entire faculty was, very supportive. They used to guide us. They used to give us the tricks, which were very helpful and of immense help to clear the training. The LMS portal and the training material, which was provided by the Techcanvass team, was of really great help. And especially to mention, the level of difficulty of questions was such that although they will demotivate you, but then they were of great difficulty, right? So if you are scoring 70 to 75% in the Techcanvass mocks, then it will be very easy for you to clear the CCBA exam, because the level of difficulty of questions in the actual exam is way less than that of Techcanvass. So in that way, it will help you. So that is all. And I definitely recommend everyone to join the Techcanvass series and the training material. It is of great help. And I wish everyone a very best of luck, whosoever is aspiring for becoming a business analyst and giving the certification exam.
Great, wonderful. Thank you. Thanks, Ankita, for all those insight, for opening a little window into your preparation and how you achieved this great certification. Thanks for talking with us, and all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much.